I've seen so many products on the Etsy platform. Oh, I saw a good product the other day. You guys will like this product because this is the perfect example. So this bracelet right here is doing pretty well. It's actually like for the amount of effort and the margins that this bracelet is running is pretty much all the sales in the past month. And you can clearly see it's absolute shit. It's probably built by a child and they've got a better store and better product than some people that DM me. But you can see with this right here, it's 10 quid, right? £10 was like $12. Completely free shipping. Okay. Free shipping to the United Kingdom. Probably some money abroad. This is terrible SEO. That's the description. Cars matching bracelets, free delivery. McQueen and Sally bracelet set. SEO is trash. Absolute shit. Like the SEO is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 words. Absolute shit, but it's a wonderful product because it's cars and blah, blah, blah. And it's the little red and thing and it's cute and whatever. Bestseller badge. Truly like all their sales bar like literally like a handful. That's a good example of SEO just not mattering.